Hi everyone, as promised, this is the video that is going to show you how you can access a MLA formatted template using Word. Now I already have Word open, so I'm going to go to File on the left hand side, New, and then there you'll see Blank Document, MLA Style Paper. I use it very often, so it's already there in my preview section. If it is not in yours, you want to go to search for templates, or it may say search for online templates. And I'm going to type MLA. Press enter. There, I have a MLA style research paper, MLA style paper, classic double space paper as well. Now let's just say I was looking for APA. You type in APA and it will give you the different options as well. So I'm going to go back and type MLA. There is my MLA style paper right there. I'm going to double click. And if you take a look, it has set all the features up for me. My last name, if I double click, it will allow me to go ahead and type my last name, put your page number in there, double click to close it. Now if I'm trying to replace my name right there, click it and just start typing. So there I highlight instructor name and just start typing over it. Your course number, if you're wondering where you can get your course number from, it is listed on your Canvas dashboard in the square that says ENC 1101. Please put the course number, your date, and then make sure you give your essay an awesome title. Now, any kind of feature that you don't need, you can go and delete. We don't need a works cited page because this is a personal narrative and it's nonfiction. So I just highlighted it and deleted it. If I want to delete this section, click it, click and drag, hit backspace. I can also click and drag and right click and hit cut. This picture, I don't need it. Click the picture, right click and cut. So we can either right click and cut, or we can highlight and hit backspace. Okay, and I'm just deleting the rest. And once I get to this point, I can also delete that. Make sure I go back and indent, and then you just start typing. Okay, and once again, this way was if you have Microsoft Word downloaded to your desktop already. Now this is method 2. I am logged into Atlas. On the right hand corner you will see a button that says 365 email. So I have my email option and I have my Office 365 option. I'm going to click Office 365. There it's going to load the Office 365 homepage for me. In the middle you will see any files that you have been working on. And on the left hand side you will see the applications that come with Office 365. So at the very top is Word. The second one is Excel, third one PowerPoint, and then there's Outlook. You can access your student emails as well. And then your OneDrive, which is just like any cloud storage. So I'm going to click on Word. And at the top you'll see that I have the option to do a new blank document. I can open a general notes document, an APA style paper document, and then there's one that we're looking for today, which is the MLA style paper. If I click on there, it has a similar feature. You just click it and you're going to type your name. It's asking for all the same things: your name, the instructor's name, course name, or course number, sorry, and then the date, and then you want to put a title. So I believe I made the other one a rainy day. Okay. Now anything that we don't need, again, you click it and hit delete, or you click and you're going to right click and hit cut. Oops, on Office 365, you cannot always copy, paste, and then do the cutting and any right clicking sometimes. So we're just going to hit OK. And it's still highlighted, so just delete. Highlight, delete. If it's a graph or a picture like this, we can right click and hit cut. Please let me know if you have questions while you are formatting your paper. Now, if you notice on this particular template in Office 365, it does not show you the presetting for the header. But we can double click it. Hold on one second. If we go to Insert here and then click Header Footer, it is already pre-programmed for MLA format. So therefore, all I need to do is highlight it and type over it. And then put, you can put a 1 there, but if you look, it says we'll add page numbers here. So you don't need to do that part. It'll automatically do that part for you. Now let's just say you decided, okay, I don't want to work in Office 365. I want to go back to my desktop. So all you have to do is click on Editing and then ask to open it in the desktop app. As long as you have it downloaded to your actual computer, it will open for you on your desktop version. The different views, editing, reviewing, and viewing, just changes the formatting of how things will look for you. For instance, when you get your papers back from me, I will often have left comments. So let's just say this right here. I wanted to leave a comment on this entire chunk. Click Comments, and then click New, and then there I could put please reread. And now that whole section would be highlighted purple, letting you know that I left a comment. So you will use this feature with your classmates, and I encourage you to use it for yourself also when you are revising. That way it makes it easier on yourself on what part you need to fix. And that's about it for this video. Again, please let me know if you have questions. Goodbye.